Hello students, today we discuss further in case of triangles, congruence of triangles. What do we mean by congruence? Congruence means if one triangle in some way, if it is exactly same as the other triangle, in parts, corresponding parts, we say that these two triangles are congruent. Consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now let us take the correspondence. Let AB correspond to PQ, BC correspond to QR, AC correspond to PR. And if you take this triangle PQR and put over triangle ABC, if angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, and length of AB is equal to length of PQ, length of BC equal to length of QR, and length of AC equal to length of PR, then we say that these two triangles are congruent. There are 6 parts of a triangle, 3 sides and 3 angles. Now, if one side corresponding to one side of a triangle is equal, second side of a triangle is equal to the second side of the triangle, and the third side is equal to the third side of the triangle, and the corresponding angles. This angle A corresponding to angle P, if they are equal, similarly B equal to Q in measure, C equal to R in measure, then triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle PQR. This correspondence is very important, and equality of measures of sides, lengths of sides and measures of angle is also equal. Now here we consider 3 sides and 3 angles, that is totally 6. But for 2 triangles to become congruent, all 4 facts are not required to be equal. But there are some rules, criteria for congruence of the triangles, which make the two triangles to be equal. Congruent. A triangle is a set of points. There are infinite number of points in a triangle. So if we say 2 triangles to be equal, it's not mathematically feasible. Shape, size and figure of the triangle exactly fits on the other triangle, then we say that the triangles are congruent. Equality and congruency are 2 different concepts. Equality holds good for definite measures. 2 angles, if they have same measures, we may say that they are equal in measures. 2 line segments, if they have same lengths, we can say that they are of equal length. Suppose a line segment is of 5 centimeters and here also line segment of 5 centimeters. They are equal in length, but the line segment is made up of infinite number of points. Here also infinite number of points. If the line segment is smaller than 5 centimeters, say 2 centimeters, then this line segment of 2 centimeters may also contain infinite number of points. So if we consider the line segment as a set of points, equality doesn't hold good. But if we consider the line segments with the length of the line segment, yes, we can decidedly say that they are equal or not. So here onwards, when we say that two line segments are equal, we assume that they are equal in lengths. And when we say that two angles are equal, we assume that they are equal in their measures. Suppose here the angle, measure of this angle A is say 70 degrees and measure of angle P is say 70 degrees. Then we can say that the angle A and angle P are equal, that is equal in measures. But angle is made up of two rays with one vertex, and a ray is a set of infinite number of points. Another ray is also a set of infinite number of points. Even though the angles may not have same measure, one infinite number of points and the other infinite number of points to say equal is not feasible. Therefore, we say that if the measure of an angle is smaller than the other angle, we say that this angle is smaller, but with respect to its measure. Now, criteria for congruency of the triangles. SAS congruence rule. Here we have seen that there are 3 sides and 3 angles. That is 6 factors in all. But even though 3 out of these 6 factors are considered, SAS stands for side, angle, side. This rule, SAS congruency rule, says that if 2 sides of a triangle and the angle included between them, that is this side, 2 sides in case of triangle ABC, side AB and side BC. AB and BC, these 2 sides, and angle included between them, not any other angle. Mind it well. 2 sides of an angle are always neighboring. They are always making an angle. So 2 sides of a triangle and angle included between them are equal in length and measures. The corresponding 2 sides, AB corresponds to PQ, BC corresponds to QR, are equal. AB is equal to PQ in length, BC is equal to QR in length, and angle included between them are equal. The measure of this angle equal to the measure of this angle. If they are same, then the remaining factors of these 2 triangles will also be congruent. Then these 2 triangles will be congruent and the remaining parts will also become congruent. Same in measure. That is, if length AB is equal to length PQ, length BC is equal to length QR, and measure angle ABC equal to measure angle PQR are equal, then we say that triangle ABC QR, and then the remaining sides AC will be equal in length to side PR. Remaining angle BAC will be equal in length in measure to angle QPR. Remaining here, the third angle ACB will be equal to angle PRQ in measure. The remaining actors will also become equal in measure and congruent. So this is very important rule in which the angle that we consider is the angle included between the two sides. Now here two sides are taken and angle between them is taken. But it is important that for the neighboring two sides, if the angle included between them is not taken and the other angle is taken, then this congruency test doesn't hold good. Therefore, side angle test fails in congruency of the triangle. Very important condition to be established here in case of SAS rule, that is side angle side rule, is that the angle which you consider to be equal in measure should be included by the two sides. This is an important fact to be considered here in case of SAS congruency rule. Second rule, here we have taken two sides and one angle. If we take two angles and one side, now there are two cases. The side may be between the two angles, or the side cannot be between the two angles. Then in both these cases, if one side, one angle and the corresponding and the other angle of a triangle are equal in lengths and measures for one triangle corresponding to the other triangle, then these two triangles will be congruent. So in case of angle side or side angle congruency test, two neighboring angles and one side of one triangle, if they are equal to two corresponding angles and corresponding side equal, then these two triangles will be congruent. Similarly, a side and the angles between them at the end of the side of one triangle are equal to the side and angle at the end of this side, end points of the side, the angles at the end points of the side for the second triangle are equal, then we say that these two triangles are congruent. So mark the peculiarity of two sides and angle between them, two angles and a side in case of congruency rules 1, 2 and 3. Now if we consider a right triangle, suppose you are given two right triangles, then if one side and a hypotenuse of a right triangle are equal to one side and the hypotenuse of the other side triangle, then these two triangles will be congruent according to the correspondence. So in case of right triangle, we need only the equality of hypotenuse and a side. If hypotenuse and side of one triangle is equal to the hypotenuse and side of the other right triangle are equal in length and measures, then these two right triangles are always congruent. Dear students, take care about to be cautious in case of correspondence of side-side angle type, which is confusing with first rule, side by side. Dear students, try to learn this congruency criteria, practice them, and prepare. Thank you.